Welcome back Tech Newbies, my name is Don. Today we're gonna take a look at this cheap vertical mouse, the Delux M618C. Are vertical mouse better? Let's go.
Tech Newbies.
This video is not sponsored. I bought this unit with my own money. The package arrived fairly well wrapped. It comes in this standard white box. Up front, you have a simple list of features that are represented in icons. At the back, you have the basic specs. If you like these types of content, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to be notified of my new videos. Your support is very much appreciated. Inside the box, you have the mouse wrapped in this translucent plastic. And of course, the manual that no one ever reads. Just out of curiosity, when was the last time you read the manual of your new gadget? Leave them in the comment section below. Weight-wise, this mouse is very light. This mouse is completely made of plastic. There's a small scratch on the mouse. Yikes. Build quality is okay, given that this is a cheap mouse. At the bottom, there are two large mouse feet and two small ones on the sides. The battery compartment is also located on this side. Inside this compartment, you have the USB receiver, which is way too loose on the provided slot. The mouse is powered by a single AA battery. You also have the on and off switch at the bottom. This mouse has 6 buttons: right click, left click, DPI switch, scroll button, forward and backward buttons. While this mouse has a DPI switch, it doesn't have any indicator to show which DPI you are currently at. This mouse also has an RGB on top, which is static, but you can turn it off by holding the forward and backward button for a few seconds. To turn it back on, simply hold the forward and back buttons again. I'll be comparing this to the two mouse I am currently using. First is the Logitech M185, which I use with our office laptop. As the M185 is a portable mouse, my main issue with this mouse is that it is too tiny for my huge hands. I feel a bit of fatigue on my ring and pinky finger after a few hours of use. Next is my Logitech G304, which I use with my own laptop. Although this is a bigger mouse, I still have the same issue on my ring and pinky fingers after a few hours of use. With both of these mice, there are a few occasions where I feel soreness on my wrist. This was something that hopefully a vertical mouse would resolve. First time using the Delux M618C, you might feel some awkwardness. It's like driving stick and shifting gears. While the way you grip this mouse is better than the normal mouse, I had a bit of trouble finding the comfortable grip because of my large hand. One con of a vertical mouse is adjusting to the accuracy. As this might be something new to you, it might take some time to get used to, a honeymoon period if you will. Although a vertical mouse is definitely better ergonomics wise, it's difficult to say that it is the better overall mouse. Some people, like gamers, may not want to sacrifice accuracy for better ergonomics. Hence, this is not for everyone. That's it for this video. See you again next time. Thank you for watching. Keep safe. Peace.